In a world where sustainability and longevity must be encouraged, I went on a journey to find out more about repair cafes, and it all started here in London. So I'm here just outside one of the places that Haringey fixers meet up as part of the repair cafe. What's really exciting is just to see how many people are coming, bringing all sorts of electrical items. They're giving it one last chance to see if they can either salvage, repair, or even upcycle things.
Everybody is conscious of the fact that we're throwing too much away. The success really is in changing people's understanding of what is possible to repair and reuse.
As an engineer, I'm interested to see how components are put together. More than that, it's great to see the smile on their face when things are fixed.
I think this is just a really great thing for any designer or engineer to make sure that they get involved. It's arguably one of the best things that they can put their skills to good use in a volunteer capacity. Repair cafes don't just exist in the UK. There are around 4,500 and counting globally. On a family visit to Hong Kong, I thought it'd be interesting to see how it's done here. And as one of the most densely populated regions in the world, it's no surprise to see how many electrical items are in need of fixing. I visited two major repair cafes in Hong Kong to see how they differed from those I'd visited in London. And the similarities are huge. People care about the environment, about the sentimental quality of the things, or indeed just have a refusal to throw things away. One thing I didn't expect to see was a pop-up repair cafe in a shopping mall alongside luxury brands. It's just a really nice opportunity for people to drop by, be curious about repairability.
Repair is a choice. We are trying to build a community here. There is a need and there are a group of people who are willing to give such way for sorting out this problem.
This is the beginning of something really exciting, whether you're a member of the public wanting to do your bit for sustainability, or whether you're a designer actually tasked with making products better in the first place.
At a time when we're looking at recycling and making sure we get the full life out of the products we buy, so that we're not constantly churning out stuff that ends up in landfill. It's really important that we start to look at things like that.
So find out more about visiting your local repair cafe and check out more at the Design Spark blog.